I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're really looking to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Disney Plus website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find your subscription details. In the account settings, look for the subscription section where you can view your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Click on the Cancel Subscription link. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or provide feedback on why you are cancelling. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you cancel before your billing cycle ends, you can still enjoy Disney Plus until the end of that period. Good luck with your cancellation, and I hope this helps.